Yes, good people, welcome back to the channel. So again, more work on the Mark 4 Golf Nugget. This time we're sorting out that beat up red wing mirror that was actually siliconed on. It's actually snapped as well, so that's no good for nothing. Now, simple job, T45 bolt on the inside, basically, remove the door card. T45, remove that, mirror comes out. No, not on this one. When I remove the door card, somebody has already been in there and stripped out the T45, which is a bit of a ball ache. So I think what they've done, they've broken the exterior mirror, couldn't get that off, and then decided to silicone another one on, which is not ideal, but this is all floppy and yeah. So that's off. I've got to try and get that out. A friend of mine had a couple of mirrors, they're black, they're a bit beat up themselves, but they're solid, and I can use these for my other Golf at some point, because these are electric, this is manual. But for now, I've got this car on the road now, I need a working-ish mirror. So I want to get that one on temporarily till I get a manual mirror, get that off. So at least we then got a mirror that is, kind of legal. The tool I got given by my friend is, move my coffee out of the way, I'm not sure what these are called, but basically you hammer them over the old bolt and then get a little breaker bar or something on it and it should come off. That's the plan of action anyway. But yeah, I've taken my van off the road now, the T4, it's in my workshop, that's going away for the winter, so I've now got this taxed and insured as of the 1st of October, because my GTI is due for an MOT this month and she needs a bit of welding doing, so this could be off the road for a week or so. So I need to make sure everything on this Mark 4 Golf Nugget is up to scratch, because I'm going to need to use it to go to work, and I need quite a reliable car. So we're going to sort that mirror out, go through a few little bits on it. Currently the battery is flat again. Now I haven't driven it, so it may just need a good run. Literally this car's been moved about for the last couple of weeks. I've been giving it a trickle charge every now and again, but I've left it for 2 days and it is completely flat. So that is a new battery, but I need to make sure if it's completely gone or not. It's too small anyway, but for now I need to have that working. But if not, worst case, I'll buy a new battery, and then we'll check all the levels. We've changed the oil on it, screen wash is okay, coolant looks okay. I'll go for all the tyre pressures, that kind of thing. The rear brakes are sticking. Again, it hasn't been driven a lot lately, so I'll give it a good run today, give her a good blast and see if we can free some stuff up and get some good charge in that battery. But yeah, let's get stuck into this wing mirror first, I reckon, and see if this snazzy tool gets that out, because it is a bit of a pig to get to. As you can see, there's not a lot of room in there. Okay, so plan A didn't work out too well. This set would have done the job, but unfortunately the bit we need is missing, and I can't get hold of the bloke who got them off, so I went for plan B. Drills and brute force. We're literally down to the last bit of aluminium. I'm gonna see if I can undo that now or just cut it off, but we are pretty much there. Yeah, there's a lot of carnage. God damn the missing bit. It may look like a simple bolt. This son of a... yeah. Took me another 2 hours to get it out. Basically, I had to cut away from the outside, drill, use a Dremel, and finally I got it out. Just because somebody threaded out the inside of that. Okay, so let's clean all this mess up and all this debris and tools everywhere and stuff, and then we can start putting a new one on. Plus notes, giving the battery plenty of time to charge up. Okay, so that's the mirror on. It's black. It's a bit scratched up, but it's not hanging off and it's correctly fitted. There's some glue that's been seeped out from where the old repair was. I think they used no more nails and possibly some sort of super glue, so I need to come back and sort this out at some point, but for now we've got a mirror that does the job so I can see stuff. I've just got to put all the inside back together. Again, it's a electric mirror and this is manual, but for now it's good enough. At least I'll be able to see who's trying to chop me. Mirror's on, battery's charged, door card is back together. Now let's get her out the garage. Yeah. So the Nugget is out the garage, just letting her warm up a little bit. We need to give that battery a good charge, give her a good run, because the back brakes are sort of sticking a little bit where it's been sitting. I'll check the tyre pressures, check all the oil, water, all that kind of thing, make sure it's all good, make sure all the bulbs are working, and then we'll take her for a good blast up the road. Okay, let's take her on a maiden voyage. Turn that shit down. Go away, radio. Right, so I'm going to give her a quick whip round the block and see how she drives. Because the last time I drove this was when she was leaking oil, just had the heat shield taken off. She's a bit of a slow one, it's a 1.4, so we're not expecting big speeds with this compared to the 1.8 turbo. She feels quite smooth already, over the bumps, not too bad. Still got a little bit of a rattle on the exhaust, I need to get that looked at. And I ain't gonna lie, it fucking stinks in here, man. Ew. Yep, we're taking her out in a first little run, and it drives pretty darn good if I'm honest. Nice and smooth, goes through the gears nicely, the clutch feels good, the brake feels good, the gearbox is nice and smooth, so yeah, she's driving nice. No knocks, rattles, nothing like that, no clunky suspension, steering's nice and straight-ish, so we're going around a bit of a bend. Yeah, this drives pretty darn good. So I'm just doing a little test run driving to work, see how she feels. I may take her to work tomorrow. Oh yeah, nice. No warning lights either. That's a result. And I found some minty fresh wiper blades in the workshop. Sweet. Okay, we're back from the maiden voyage. Done about a 40-mile round trip, and like I say, she drives nice. Never missed the beat. Nice and smooth to drive, just like a Golf should. But, you know, I'm really digging this little car. Obviously not as quick as the GTI, got to be a bit cautious when you're coming out of junctions and stuff, but for a little daily driver going to work for the winter, this is perfect. So yeah, she's now up and running. If you ain't seen the previous videos, I originally paid 300 quid for this car as a fixer-upper. She had a misfire, she had an oil leak, the exhaust was rattling really bad. Yeah, we've fixed quite a few bits on it, got her all up and running. She never had a rear wiper, the rear wiper motor weren't working, all the washer jets, so we've fixed all that. And yeah, she's all good. We sorted the misfire out, changed the oil, she's got a new air filter. So the wheels on it are the 14-inch Steelies that actually come with the car. They got decent tyres. It'll do for now, but if I do find some decent alloys in between, I will stick them on and make a video. But I'm going to take this to work tomorrow, so hopefully she doesn't let me down, and make sure the battery's all charged up before I go to work. So yeah, hope you've been enjoying the little series on this Golf Nugget. 300 quid for a little daily motor, and she has got MOT to April next year. Oh yes. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, the Mink Manifesto, and I'll catch you all soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.